There was not really a new design in phone from a long time. You know, the same screen with a notch or punch hole, and some of them had under display camera, but the aesthetic of phone was same until the Samsung G Flip 3 came up, which kind of disrupted the design of mobile phones. This phone sports a flagship level specs, but unfortunately the camera specs are not same as in the Samsung top line phone like Galaxy S21 lineup. But wait, does the camera of Samsung G Flip 3 has that flagship level quality to make an impression in your photography or videography? Hi, I'm Krishna with Pixel Organ. Let's test the camera performance by shooting some photos and videos in the real world. Before we start shooting with this phone, let's look at the quick specs of it. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 has got Snapdragon 888 processor, 8GB of RAM, 6.7-inch Full HD Plus foldable display that supports HDR10 Plus and has 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. There is a secondary cover display of 1.9-inch for notifications and so on. There are two rear camera and one selfie camera. The rear camera has two lenses. First, the wide lens is of 12 megapixel f1.8 and has OIS, and the ultra wide lens is of 12 megapixel again and has f2.2 aperture. Coming to selfie camera, it is of 10 megapixel f2.4. These specs are not bad at all, but the battery is only of 3300 mAh, which seems a bit less compared to other phones. We will see how is the battery life of this phone in our channel soon. Please let me know in the comments if you want to see about the battery life of this phone, and please subscribe for that. Now let's go straight to shooting with this camera. We will test its all camera in jewelry shop where there is relatively low light than the outdoor sunlight. Let's go to jewelry shop now. Hi, I am near the jewelry shop of my hometown and I am with Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3, and I will shoot some photos and videos in this shop, and let's see how the photos and videos comes out of this Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. Let's go inside. This phone flips in and out. You can close the phone. It has got two camera, the rear camera and one selfie camera in the front. You can see the selfie camera is of punch hole, and we'll shoot some photos and videos. Let's get it started. Now I'm opening the camera app. Let's shoot photos of this gold. Currently, I am using the wide angle lens of this phone. Let's shoot some close-up shots. There is some reflection of the light in the glass, so we'll see how the photo will come. I have just finished shooting with wide angle lens of this phone. Now let's go to the ultra wide angle lens. Let's switch on to ultra wide and shoot some photos. the photo looks very crisp and sharp. Let's shoot some close-up photos with this ultra-wide camera. We have already taken some photos with wide and ultra-wide. Now let's ask the person in this shop to take out some of jewelry to shoot a close-up shot. Saroj, can you give me that to shoot a photo? Thank you very much. This is ultra-wide camera. And let's take the same shot with wide-angle lens, wide camera. We have finished with shooting a photo. Now let's move to video part of this phone. It has got video shooting capability of 4K at 60 fps maximum. Let's shoot some 4K video at 30 fps, okay? Again, shooting the video with wide angle lens, a close-up shot. Let's see how close up this goes, how close it can shoot with keeping the subject in focus with the ultra wide lens. I think this is the maximum. We cannot focus here. I think this is the maximum focus point. When you close this phone, you can see the two rear camera here, and there is a cover display here where you can see notifications and things like music player and alarms and so on. Also, you can use this cover display to shoot or to open the camera. Let's open the camera first. You can open the camera by pressing the power button, and then the camera app is open. Now you can shoot videos or photos. Just swipe right to open the video, and swipe left to open the photo. Now you can shoot photos by just tapping on the screen. Let's start the selfie video. Now I am shooting at this jewelry shop with the help of cover display. I am looking into the cover display, and the video looks like this. Now let's go to the wide angle lens. This is wide angle lens. This is wide angle lens of this Galaxy Z Flip 3, and I am using the cover display to shoot this video with. This is the wide angle lens. While using the cover display, to shoot photos or videos, you cannot change the aspect ratio of photos or videos. That is a bummer for those who want to blog and use the 16:9 aspect ratio. I hope that Samsung will update its software soon so that we can change the aspect ratio when using the cover display of the photos or video. Now I am switching to portrait mode to shoot this necklace of gold. Let's see how the portrait comes. The camera app of Samsung has many more features to shoot photo and video like Pro Video, Pro Photo, Food Mode, Night Mode, etc. Let me know in the comments if you want to see all those features of camera from the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 has a camera that has good quality and is of flagship level. It has got such popularity that the owner of this jewelry shop has also used the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. Though he has an iPhone already, he has bought the Galaxy Z Flip 3. Can you give me that Galaxy Z Flip 3? Now I have two Galaxy Z Flip 3. One is the cream color and this is the lavender color. Which one do you like? Let me know in the comments. We have just finished shooting with this phone camera. And I want to thank the proprietor of this jewelry shop, and let's go back to the studio. That's all about the Samsung Z Flip 3 camera. Please subscribe to this channel if you are into a technology square or you want to learn more on technology. Thank you for watching. Namaste.